guys, welcome back with Wasi Banda. Today I want to take a few minutes and address the Bitcoin madness that's taking place out there. Now, over the last week, I've been getting a lot of questions from people I know whether they should go ahead and buy into Bitcoin right now because special offer is 50% off. The cryptocurrency have tumbled a lot in the last week. At some point it became 30k. Now it's been jumping up and down, and whether they should go ahead and but maybe their life savings, maybe take a loan on their house, maybe their own car, and invest in Bitcoin because hey, they want to all get rich, right? Now it's very mad what's going on. I get it. People have been watching the news for a long time, and every day they open the the news, it say, hey, Bitcoin now is above 40. Hey, Bitcoin jumped to 45. Now Bitcoin is 60. We believe Bitcoin gonna make it to the moon. Yeah, anyway, let them go to the moon by themselves. Now, this level of madness have been encouraging a lot of people. I know people who don't know what Bitcoin is. They don't understand it whatsoever, but they really believe they should invest in that Bitcoin thingy. Okay, now, here, my view is, first, if you don't know what the heck is Bitcoin, definitely you should not be investing in Bitcoin, no matter how much rich you think you're gonna be. And please do not sell your house, your car, your apartment, whatever it is you own in order to buy into Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. I know Dogecoin been having a lot of hilarious situation. I mean, for God's sake, people are buying in Dogecoin believing that this new cryptocurrency is the next big thing. I mean, that currency have the face of a meme of a dog. I mean, if you are buying into this, it's like going to McDonald's, ordering a meal, or they have a clown outside and you expect to eat a healthy food. This is exactly what's happening with people who are buying Dogecoin. Now, let me be very clear. I'm not against the cryptocurrency. I bought into cryptocurrency. As a matter of fact, I bought it when it was around 6k to 8k, and when it jumped up earlier this year, I went ahead and sold all of my holdings. Now, when I bought Bitcoin, there was no noise about Bitcoin, and this is why I actually thought it's a great timing, because it wasn't hitting all-time high. Not everybody talking about it. There's no hype. So when I bought it based on the fact that I believe this is the ideal value for the current timing. Now, back then, the news was not covering any of these cryptocurrency whatsoever, and I have been actually investing in Ethereum and a bunch of the others, but I'm gonna focus on Bitcoin itself because I ended up selling it earlier this year. And I start selling it the moment I see Elon Musk start tweeting. Because I'm gonna be honest, so the moment that Elon Musk start tweeting stuff and all of a sudden all of these cryptocurrencies jump to the sky, it starts getting me worried. In the past, the value of the cryptocurrency is being driven by how it's being addressed by the market, who is accepting Bitcoin, and where is this going. So over the last couple of years, we'd be hearing, hey, China, for example, would accept Bitcoin. Now there is good news, the currency will go a little bit up. Over the last year, actually, a lot of good things happened to the cryptocurrency. PayPal started allowing people to buy cryptocurrency using Bitcoin, so that was very easy. A lot of applications, including Square and the Cash app, let people start being able to buy Bitcoin using nothing but their phone. So it became much easier for people to buy, and it made a lot of sense for the price to go up. But the moment Elon Musk started tweeting all of this nonsense about cryptocurrency, what happened is the situation moved out from me having a currency that's, or something that we all agree on its value based on what we think, to the fact that we have some celebrity who is driving the price up and down. Now, this should be concerning. Now, with all respect to Elon Musk, I know he have a lot of interesting views, and by the way, I'm not Tesla die-hard fan. So I get it. If you are a Tesla die-hard fan, you see Elon Musk saying Bitcoin is good, you go sell your house and buy Bitcoin. And if he goes next day say we're gonna sell Bitcoin because it's damaging the environment, he's gonna probably be homeless. So there's a lot of people who are following Elon Musk as is, and if you are one of those, go back and do whatever you like to do. But if you are more realistically a human being who would like to take sense into buying and selling cryptocurrency, when you see that currency is jumping up and down just based on this guy tweeting, you should be very concerned, because it means this can crash down in a heartbeat. You are literally better off buying lottery tickets at this point than putting your money in a cryptocurrency. Now, I'm not saying don't buy. If you want to put some money that you're going to put in a lottery, it's okay, throw it in a cryptocurrency, but I'm going to be honest, just forget about it. I don't think now is the ideal time to buy cryptocurrency. But hey, if you feel like it, enjoy. I know he just tweeted earlier saying, you know, hold on your cryptocurrency with emojis, which is, apparently he doesn't need even to use words for his fan to figure out what he's doing, right? So I'm kind of concerned with the current situation of cryptocurrency. I would not recommend it, but I want also to add a little bit of a sense for people who are thinking, hey, I can be rich with cryptocurrency. Let's take it here. Let's assume Bitcoin right now at 60k, okay, or 40, because actually I checked earlier today, it was around 38. So let's take it at 40k, okay? If you have, I don't know how much you're gonna invest, but let's say you wanna invest $1,000 in Bitcoin because you believe Bitcoin on the long term gonna go up. Okay, how much exactly do you think Bitcoin gonna worth? 100k, 400k, a million? I mean, let's assume it became 400k. So your money multiplied by 10, that's it, right? Okay, now, did you know that you can literally make the same thing buying some of the penny stocks out there? I have literally made more than 100 times in some of the penny stocks that I bought when the company actually made it. You can invest in a startup and make way more than what you're gonna make with the cryptocurrency. So I'm gonna be honest, it's concerning me that cryptocurrency is not something that actually hold a value on itself. It's not gold. So if you're gonna invest in a crypto, or don't use the word invest, if you're gonna buy cryptocurrency, you wanna buy it for fun, hey, be my guest. I highly recommend playing with these. Probably buy some Dogecoin. After all, you can just tell your dog you bought some coin for him, right? It doesn't make you feel so bad if that currency disappeared. But do not use the word invest, and don't go ahead sell stuff in order to buy because of the madness, I want to get rich. We all seen what happened before with Bitcoin. People got crazy at some point. It went all the way to 20k, and a lot of people lost big time. I know people went crazy after the cryptocurrency crashed, but yet somehow I'm seeing some of the same people coming back thinking, oh, now I can make a lot of money with the cryptocurrency. Now, another thing is you need to understand that the fact that Elon Musk is the one who driving this, with all my respect to Elon, okay, I think the guy is a genius, but he is not an expert in everything, and some of his views are very concerning. I mean, this guy, he came out at some point and he tweeted to his own, actually to the whole world, saying, I think my stocks of my own company are overvalued. Now, Tesla was not being pumped because people are buying it out of nowhere. It was people believe it have a potential, so they were buying it. Even if you believe your own company stocks are high, you should never ever go tweet stuff like this. So he had some issues with the FTCs before because tweeting stuff that makes no sense whatsoever. He's still doing it today, and I'm gonna take a minute here and just to stop in his comments about the cryptocurrency. Elon Musk at some point came out and he said, hey, you know, Tesla gonna accept Bitcoin. Okay, fine. Now, if he accepting Bitcoin, and we all know that he's smart enough to know what Bitcoin is, how Bitcoin is consuming energy that like there's no tomorrow. I mean, if you ask a kid who just started yesterday, you know exactly how bad is Bitcoin for the environment. And he come later on and say, oh, we are not gonna accept Bitcoin because of the environment impact. I mean, are you kidding? I mean, you already know how this works. So his tweets are making no sense. I heard he got pressured out of some of the news that he should not be accepting it because of concern of the FTC. But whatever the fact is, the fact he's tweeting stuff that making complete nonsense, we should all get worried. Tomorrow, I don't know, maybe the Kardashians start tweeting about Bitcoin and maybe we all start buying it. No, so anything that's driven by a famous person, jump into it. You should not ever go ahead and invest in it. That sounds like a bad idea. And the reason for this, we have a lot of people who are completely amateurs. They don't understand what cryptocurrency is. They don't understand how it works. All they understand is I can buy it and get rich. This is the whole mentality, okay? So when a cryptocurrency is on the rise, a lot of these amateurs jumping in, especially now Elon Musk are tweeting, oh, the Tesla guy, we love him, let me buy more Bitcoin. And next morning they see the cryptocurrency fall down 10k. What do you think these people are gonna have? Probably heart attack, but if not, they will be depressed, and the first thing they're gonna do, they're gonna start sell in order to cut, because they are amateurs, they don't know what they are buying in. They will start selling every cryptocurrency they have. When people start selling off, what's gonna happen? That currency will plug even more. So just keep this in mind. It's a bad idea when the whole price is driven by a famous person tweeting in and out about cryptocurrency. So my recommendation, if you are not in a cryptocurrency, stay out for now. If you want to buy something for fun, hey, there's a lot of pennies cryptocurrencies out there, and I don't know if you guys are paying enough attention. If you buy Bitcoin, pretty much all the cryptocurrency are going up and down in the same time. It makes completely no sense. I've seen this taking place for the last few years. For the life of me, I will never understand why when Bitcoin jump up, Ethereum go up. When Bitcoin goes down, Dogecoin goes down, all right? So this is one of the stuff that also should worry people. It's like the stock market goes up and down every day together. So the fact that these and the consistency with how they go up and down is very concerning. So look, got some cash, you want to buy lottery ticket, fine, throw it in a cryptocurrency, it's okay, but do not invest your hard-earned money in a cryptocurrency. You are better off literally owning stocks, penny stocks. And the reason for that, you at least, worst case scenario, you bought in a company, you bought an actual asset. If you invest in a startup, you actually own a piece of a startup. So keep this mentality in your mind. If you buy a cryptocurrency, you bought a currency that may or may not have any value. So congratulations, right? You're even better off buying metals, gold, silver, whatever the case is. So there's a lot of great investment opportunity out there that can make you way more money than crypto ever gonna do. So do not take such a huge risk investing in cryptocurrency. Thank you everyone. I hope that was useful, and if you felt this was a useful video, go ahead and share it with your friends, and stay tuned with the receipt.